Hey guys, it's Tony. It's a sad day, boys. Currently down about 12.8. Still holding. Might as well, at this point might as well fucking hold, bro. At this point, why the hell am I gonna sell anything today? Like I don't even care about like the 300 that I have in this anymore for the value of it, right? And the 12.8, everything that I put in, I was willing to lose on this AMC call on this AMC trade, right? So as far as me, I'm probably gonna keep holding until Friday now, just because fuck it, dude. Who cares about an extra $1,300 in value, right? Um, and you guys already know I made like 40K plus last week on GME and a couple of other things. So at this point, this is just kind of like house money that I'm playing with. But yeah, I told you guys in the morning with the previous video that I made that I wasn't liking AMC because there were no pre-market moves. Yeah, right now we are getting hit by short ladder attacks. Everybody fucking knows this, right? Like I'm still diamond holding this. Like I'm not gonna be selling it anytime soon. But this is obvious manipulation. Everybody knows this. We don't know when the pop is gonna happen. Everybody thought it was gonna be Monday. I thought it was gonna be yesterday, right? I thought it was gonna be Monday. But look at the volume, right? Look, 100 million in volume. That's insane. AMC was trading last week at a billion, over a billion volume last week. So, I mean, there's over a 90% float of trading volume that's not hitting AMC because nobody's selling the shares, which is fantastic, right? Like nobody sell your shares, everybody's still holding. Just updating you guys, currently down 12.8. Not planning on selling at this point. Why the fuck am I gonna take? Why not just fucking write it out, dude? At this point, right?